Good morning, students. In previous session, you learned about the information technology, and in continuation to the previous session of the unit Introduction to Computer System, today you will learn about computer definition and the data processing concept. So, when we consider about the computer, you all have been reading the definition of computer from class 1. However, once again, we define about the computer. Students, the term computer comes from the word compute, which means to calculate. So, basically, we can define the computer. Computer is an electronic calculating machine, but this definition is not more than that. So, according to my opinion, we define the computer as computer is an electronic data processing device which accepts and stores the data, process the data according to the instruction, and to produce the information at tremendous speed with a great accuracy. Although you can define computer on different definitions, but in this definition, all the terms used in computers are already mentioned. So, if we consider this definition, the first one, the basic term is electronic, then data, then processing, information, and speed and accuracy. These are the words that are defined in these definitions. Students, computer is electronic data processing device. Now the first term is electronic. You must know about the electronic device. In fact, the word electronic makes the words from electron, that means flow of the electron. And electronic device means the device which works, say to yes or no, that means on or off, or true or false, just like the switching circuit. Such a device is called electronic device. Next one is data, we discuss later in this session. Then the processing needs instructions by which any data is processed to meaningful information. So now, computer, whenever any data is given by the user, then computer accept and store first, then process the data according to the given instructions and to produce the information at tremendous speed. Tremendous speed means computer speed is measured in microseconds. That is beyond our imagination. And another word is accuracy. Accuracy means computer can't be mistake. But sometimes we listen computer do the mistake. No, it's not a computer mistake, it's a human's mistake. It means computers works upon GIGO, means garbage in, garbage out. So it means when you feed the wrong instruction, computer give wrong result or information. But if we put the right instructions, then computer never will do the mistakes. So that computer is most accurate system. One thing, there is no any magic in the computer. Computers is made by the human so that it works upon the given instructions. So if we feed the right instructions, then computer always give the right result. Hence, once again we can say computer accept the data, process it and produce the information. Now we will discuss about data processing concepts. The main objectives of data processing concept is define the concept of data, data processing and information. Then explain various data processing activities. And the last one, utilize data processing cycle. So, first of all, we discuss about the data. In fact, the word data is the plural form of datum, which means facts, observation, assumption or occurrence. More precisely, data are representations of facts pertaining to people, places, things, ideas and events. The data are represented by symbols such as letters of the alphabet, numerals or other special symbols. Means data is useful terms. That means data by itself is not very useful until or unless it is used or processed such a logical manner when it would convey some useful information. So, data can be input through the computer and then after data is processed and we get information. So basically the data and informations both are a related term, but the data means before processing activities and data can be represented as the letters A to Z, numerals 0 to 9 and other symbols. And it is also collection of facts, observations, assumptions, occurrence, etc. Now, the data processing. Data processing is the act of handling or manipulating data regardless of the activities involved in it. Thus, the ultimate goal of the processing is to transform data into information. And while we consider about the data processing need instructions. Now the question is, what is instructions? Instructions is specifying what must be done on data. So basically the goal of data processing means any raw facts data is transformed into the informations. Previously data means raw facts, unprocessed element. and while data is processed, then it gives the meaningful informations. And data processing is also involves several activities. Basically, when we define about the data processing, we can say data processing is the process through which facts and figures are collected, assigned, communicated to others, and retained for further use. Hence, we can say that data processing is a series of actions or operations that converts data into useful information. For example, suppose 2 and 3. Now we want to add 2 and 3. So here 2 and 3 is basically the term of data. But when we give 2 plus 3, so here plus is the means of instructions. That means plus defines what must be done on 2 and 3. So processing always needs instructions. Now you understand about the data, means what is data, and also about the data processing, and now information. We have already discussed in previous sessions also. Today we discuss little bit about the information. So basically, information means processed data, and so that it can be defined as data that has been transformed into a meaningful and useful form for a specific purpose. That means data and information, when any data is processed, then it transforms the data into information, and information is the meaningful one. And information is obtained through processing of data. The storage, retrieval and processing of data become essential resource for all economic and social exchanges. So basically, information is processed data. It refers facts, figures, statistics that have meaning. That means the three terms: data, process and informations. This is the main functions or works of the computer system. So once again we remind you what is data. So basically data is a collection of raw facts, figures which can be input into the computer through input device. You know very well there are several input devices attached to the computer system, and we will discuss about the entire functional components of the system in the next topic. After that, the data is being processed according to the given instruction, and when computer is processed the inputted data, then it gives the informations. So how the question is how computer works. It means computer accepts data in the forms of letter, digit and special symbols from the users as input. Then it stores the instructions into the computer's memory first of all. After that, the processing is started, and after the processing it gives the information, and that is obtained through the output devices. So in fact the data processing is in the centralized position. This is the background activities, and data and informations both are in the abstractions. Means any objects can have two features: data abstractions and encapsulations. Abstractions means hiding the details of any objects, and encapsulations means implementations of the behavior of the object. So here data processing means is like abstraction. This is the background details, and data and informations are the essential features. This one is as in the form of encapsulation. So basically just you put the data and you got informations, but all the data processing happens in the background of the computer system. And how data is stored and processed, you will learn in next topic also. But in this session, we just define the definition of the computer, and you learn what is data processing, and what is information. In the next session, we will discuss about the data processing activities and data versus informations or data processing cycles. Thank you and have a nice day.